All right, this is step 5 of the hamburger method. This is where we do the self-soothing touch. So let's do the teddy bear one first, and then we'll move on to the head stuff as well. And like I said in the video, you're in the explanation video, it's all about doing what you feel comfortable. So if one doesn't work or the other doesn't work, you've got the heart one as well. So let's give this a go. So take your arms and put them on your shoulders, put them round. You're looking for the pressure. You're looking for the warmth. And extra points if you can drop into your heart space and feel your heart as you breathe in and out. And feel your heart breathing in and out with you. You're really just looking for those sensations of feeling hugged. So you may want to rub your shoulders. If the teddy bear version isn't working for you, then try taking your hands and you're looking to put your palms of your hands just at the base of your skull there. If you can imagine doing a sit-up in the one of the old ways where you supported the bottom of your neck, that's where you're looking at popping your hands and just enjoying the safety of having your head in your hands. If shoulder mobility is an issue for you, then yeah, you can try different types of touch as well. So you're looking for feeling the warmth, feeling the pressure, feeling the love. Explore those sensations like you're an explorer discovering a new world. And you're the new world. So we'll see you in step 6. See you soon.